Hello lovers of Kizzy Fashion, welcome to the part 2 of styling my hair. So you're going to need your coil mousse, any coiling mousse that you have, and then your leave-in conditioner, and you're going to need water. So you're going to, and your rat take home, very important. So first you're going to mix your conditioner and your water in your spray bottle, and you're going to give it a nice good shake. So when you're done with that, you're going to section your hair and you're going to apply your mixture to it. And after massaging it to your hair, you're going to take your wrapping mousse, anyone you have. You could use your olive. The best is Lotta baby wrapping mousse, but I didn't have that available, so I just made use of what I had. So yeah, so guys, I normally use olive as a replacement for my Lotta baby, but I got this new wrapping mousse, so I decided to try it out, and I'm going to give you the reviews once I unravel these coils and I see how it looks like. So yeah, so when you're done massaging your mousse to your hair, you're going to take your rollers and you're going to start at the tip of your hair, make it firm and follow and wrap it through. And when you're done, you're going to take your pin and you're going to pin the hair down to your rollers. So guys, one tip I always recommend, even though I didn't follow in this video because I just had a lot to do, so I kind of forgot to do it. For the first layer of my hair, roll from downwards, and then when you go to the second and third layer, you can roll from upwards, so that way it just makes it look more fuller. So here is our hair almost done, as you can see. So guys, another thing, my jumbo size rollers got finished. Like, I don't know what happened to it, but I just had to improvise. So I decided to use this smaller size because I did this the last time on my wig and I really loved the outcome it gave. Like, the upper curls were more tighter and more secure, and the coils at the back were more loose, which I really loved, by the way. So I decided to try it out on this hair. Hopefully my client is going to love this because she did love the one I did for myself. So I'm going to basically be repeating the same process. After applying my leave-in conditioner and my water, I went in with my wrapping mousse and I applied on my hair. And after massaging it into my hair, I took my rollers, which I'm going to be using these snap rollers for now, the smaller size, and I'm just going to basically do the same thing. So I'm going to put the tip of my hair around the rollers. I'm sorry you can't see that, but I'm going to put the tip of my hair around the rollers and I'm going to wrap it up. As you can see, make sure it's tight and secured as you come up. And depending on the size of your rollers, you're going to make sure you take your hair appropriate to the size of your rollers if you want the best results. And forgive my tripod for misbehaving, really shook everywhere here and there, but we are bigger than them. Moving forward, let's go to the next. So I'm going to show you once more time. After applying your leave-in conditioner and your hair mousse and combing your hair and detangling it, you're going to put the tip of your hair on your roller and you're going to wrap it up exactly as I'm doing on this video. Guys, it's actually very easy. Like, it's very easy to do it, as you can see. Just follow the steps and you're going to come out with amazing, beautiful heatless coils, which are going to last way longer than heat coils actually. Like, for me, heatless coils are so underrated. Like, they're literally the bomb. Like, it's so perfect. It comes out so perfect. It lasts longer. It prevents hair damage. It improves your hair health overall because you use very little to no heat when doing this. So here's what it's looking like. And for my pigtails, I wanted it to be kind of fluffy, so I decided to go in with my Velcro grip rollers because those is going to give that crazy, like, water wave kind of pizza coil kind of vibe, which I want to use to make the bun for the hair. So that's why I went in with my Velcro. So I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm going to apply my hair conditioner, my leave-in conditioner with my water, and I'm going to comb it out and detangle the hair. And after doing that, I'm going to go in with my hair mousse and I'm going to repeat the same process. Massage it into the hair like this, and then I'm going to comb it out, hopefully. And then here are the rollers I'm going to be using. These are my Velcro grip rollers. So guys, this hair had a story to tell. Like, I don't understand what was happening this particular day. Like, I started my jumbo size rollers, they got finished. I went to the smaller size rollers, they got finished, and now I'm with the Velcro grip. But I actually initially wanted to use my Velcro grip for this because I'm not going to leave it as coils. I want it to be more like puffy and give it like that thick look. So Velcro is really the got to go, because it's going to make your coils look fuller and fluffier and bouncier, which I want for the ponytails or pigtails, anyhow you call it. So after I'm done wrapping my hair around the grip, I'm going to secure it like I did, and we're going to move on to the other sides and repeat the same process. Apply your leave-in conditioner and your water, massage it into your hair, comb it out, make sure you detangle it, because this is going to help your hair to be looking very soft and come out perfectly once you're done. So detangling is very important. So guys, we are done, and here's what it's looking like. And see you in 3 days time when I'm going to unravel these coils and I'm going to put the results up. So guys, we are back 3 days later. Now let's unravel these coils and see if we did a great job or what guys. So let's go. So first, I always like to unravel my coils in a particular direction. Based on the direction I coil them as well. So you're just going to take your time to unravel them. Make sure you don't rush it so you don't damage the coils or make them fall. So when you're doing this, you could also spray your hosing spray so you can keep it in place. Yeah, so you could always apply a hosing spray like I said. So we're just going to take our time and unravel these coils. So guys, now that we are done, we're going to go in with our heat protectant spray just so we can apply on the hair to prevent heat damage when using our hot comb to flatten it out. So what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to style the hair. I just realized that my dress was kind of blocking the view, but what I'm trying to do is just what I'm doing on the screen. Like, I'm just trying to flatten the surface and then let the coil sit at the bottom. So that was basically what I was doing. So for the best results and to make it really very sleek, I prefer to do one coil at a time. That way the coil I'm layering at the top is falling on a flat surface from the one I previously did at the bottom, if you get what I'm saying. Sorry about that. So yeah, so for the best results, always do this in sections. Don't just layer the coils at the top. Make sure you layer the coils at the bottom so that the coils at the top have a flat surface to sit on. This is going to make your work look more presentable and just come out all around very beautiful and amazing. So yeah, that's the tip I have for you guys. So now that we're done with it, here's what it's looking like, and I'm going to go in with my hosing spray and I'm just going to apply. Then I'm going to apply the other section as well so it can make the coils last a little bit longer. So guys, here's what our wig is looking like now that we are done. Very beautiful, right? Yeah. So guys, thanks very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe, you turn on notification so you'll be updated when I post new videos. Bye.